Sustainable Development Goals in context of AI. Computer vision based on satellite, drone, or even phone images can help farmers protect their crops and increase their yields by detecting plant damage early and getting recommendations on fertilizing, watering, and harvesting. IoT networks of small microphones combined with speech processing can detect chainsaw sounds in forests to detect and locate illegal activities. Computer vision based on satellite images can track illegal fishing activities so they can be stopped and aquatic life be recovered. Natural language processing can help increase the quality and inclusiveness of education by giving students automated feedback on exercises and adapting their level of difficulty.